how to turn on or turn off Gboard and voice typing personalization on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. Now tap on Keyboard List and Default. Then tap on Gboard. Next, we scroll down, then tap on Privacy. After that, tap on Personalize for you. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off if you want to turn off personalization for your Gboard and voice typing. Here's the improved typing and voice typing based on your Gboard usage patterns and corrections. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.